This video will show you how to collect payment in a group reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to collect payment. Click Checkout in the context menu that shows up. You are taken to the payment page of the reservation. Note: clicking of Checkout Payments will redirect you to the group payment page. Click Generate Folio to generate and update pro forma invoices for charges listed in the account statement. Select Mode of Payment. The full balance amount shows here automatically. This amount may be edited for taking partial payment. Click Pay Now button to accept payment. The amount paid and balance gets updated here. Click the Print button if required. Click Close. This brings us to the end of the video on how to collect payment in a reservation.